Hello everyone, Chetan here, representing Beacon Bangalore as an application engineer. Today I would like to showcase your tip in Solidworks Composer. It is update views with selected actors. Let's see how it is done. This is my project. As you can see, I have already created the views required for my project. I have some slight modifications to do in this file right now. I will lift this propeller for some length along the direction of X. Now this view got updated. It is fine, very fine. But whereas my requirement is that I want to update this modification simultaneously to other views also. How can it be done? If you want to talk about a traditional method, you would get into each and every view and you will do this modification manually, which is both time consuming and tedious job. So this is where the updated views with selected actors will come into play. Select the actor or the propeller and select the views which all you want this actor to be get updated. Now get to the option update views with selected actors. The software does the job. Now if you get to the views, you can see the actors has got updated. This is how you can exercise this option effectively. And also you can use this option with other actors as well. For example, now I will place the navigation buttons on the screen. I will increase the size of the buttons. Now I will select the buttons and I will select the appropriate views which I want this actor to be get updated. Now get into the same option and the software does the job. Now you can see the actor has got updated in all the views. Thank you for watching.